How to cancel unwanted subscriptions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel unwanted subscriptions. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, what you'll need to do is, if you're on your Android, go to subscriptions on Google Play. So search for your Google Play. So after you find Google Play Store, open that up. After you open it up, you will then need to head over to your subscription, or to head over there, what you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you do that, you'll find payments and subscription option. Tap on payments and subscriptions. After you tap on it, you will then find payment methods and other options. So you should also find subscriptions, so head over there. After you're here, you will find all of the subscriptions that you have. So simply select the subscription right there, and then you'll find the cancel button as well. So cancel the subscription and follow the prompts according to the app, and you will have canceled your subscription from right here. And that's how you cancel an unwanted subscription on your phone. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're new to our channel and then head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.